Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today it is January 8th, 2025. Today we are going to be doing a decibel meter test. Yep, and it is positioned 10 feet away. First in line, we are going to test the Gentex Commander 3, set on 110 candela. Every one of them is on high volume. I doubt we will get to all of them, but if we don't, then we have the next set that will be in future video. And it is set on mechanical continuous high volume. Here we go. Whee! Wow. 100 decibels. Good job. Next in line is the Spectraler Advance, known as the loudest fire alarm in America. Well, who could have thought anyone was louder than you? Okay. All right. And it is set on 115 candela, with it being set on continuous high. Here we go. Come on. A 100.9. Next in line is the Gentex Commander 4. This one is set on 2400 hertz continuous high volume. Okay. And yes, the Commander 4 is set on 150 candela. That is the brightest candela setting, and it's the high candela. All right, here we go. Oh, I think that was 88 decibels. I will sum up the score with, and that one's going to be tested separately. I might have time for maybe one or two more. Let's go ahead and get the low frequency sounder L series out the way. And yes, guys, I do apologize for putting the camera down. I really do. I saw 84. All right. This is the Est Genesis, the only one that will be on code 3. All right. And it's the last one. $118 decibels. See you in the next video.